this shrub sprinkler. I don't want anything coming out of here. It's just a waste. It's just watering dirt. I want to try to cap this baby, so if I can get this guy off and cap this off and not waste so much water. Turned it too hard. This thing was rusted on, broke with the pipe. Basically, we're gonna cap it off. I got this little sleeve, which will go on this severed pipe, and then also on the sleeve, there's a cap. So I gotta prime, glue all these pieces on here. Should be back in business in a jiffy. And for this job, I'm gonna use this dual pack. Comes with the glue and the primer, purple primer. Never done this before. Bear with me. Seen videos though. Okay. Prime. And glue this baby in. Seems like I used too much. Prime the rest of this. This guy internally. And this guy. I don't want to touch any dirt. Should be good enough. Some glue. Get it on there and turn it about a quarter turn. I think that should do it. Let it dry and I'll give it a test run. Alright, we look good. Sprinklers are on. No drip. Easy fix. How about that? I'm happy. Alright, thanks for watching.